Cilium is probably best known in the Kubernetes world. It's a networking plugin for Kubernetes, although we do also have some people using it in other networking environments standalone from Kubernetes. But probably, 90% of the users right now are using it with Kubernetes or is in Kubernetes. And it provides that networking layer. It also provides network security. So I mentioned before, this ability to use eBPF to get network packets at various points in the stack. Cilium uses that ability to optimize the way that we connect and pass packets between different entities in Kubernetes, do things like encryption, enforce network policies by using eBPF to compare packets against policies and decide whether or not they need to be forwarded or dropped if they're out of policy. Yeah, so it's a very powerful platform for connecting your cloud native workloads. We also have the observability aspect. So it's one thing to have networking, it's another thing to understand, to be able to debug your networking if something goes wrong.
Yeah.
And so the Hubble component, which gives observability, is a really important part of the project. And you get this really amazing sort of flow of network packets. You can get really cool metrics. We've got a bunch of really nice dashboards that you can put in Grafana for seeing how different aspects of your networking are performing, different latency characteristics, how many packets are being dropped by network policy, all kinds of different aspects that you can visualize. And all of this is kind of built on top of the fact that we can extract this information from the kernel using eBPF
Yeah.
and in a really performant way.